that turn me up, bro.
Today, we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S10 5G. Is it worth it in 2020? Let's find out. S10 5G, how does he hold up against my relentless reviews? Oh, it's a good name. Relentless reviews. Introspect text. Relentless reviews. I'm gonna call it that. But for this device, I mean, it's not that relentless. But as always, let's get into it. I'm pulling up the desk. Alright, so first, we gotta talk about just like some of the specs. Let's get into the specs. We're working with a 6.7 inch display. I'm talking about quad HD. I'm talking about 1440p. Boy, you know how many pictures that is? Alright, tell me how this phone got two front cameras. Two. I mean, two. 4,500 milliamp hour battery. Think about that. This phone, it's like you can use me wherever, bro. Like, you want to take me on a plane, take me on a plane. You want to take me to use me as a travel kit, use me as a travel. You want to use me as a GoPro? You can. Cause look at this. You got my whole table, and I'm trying to tell you, so we don't run, man. This is crazy. Like, I wonder how much of me I can fit in here now, cause I never used it this way. Oh, and that's why. I wonder how that came out. It looks super weird. Amazing phone. Tons of fun, tons of versatility. Like I said, you can use it as a GoPro. Just put like a serious case on it, because that's $1,000 GoPro you're using. Since I already have the camera app open, let's give some of this front camera a try. So I'm gonna just insert, because there's two front cameras, I'm gonna insert the ultra wide over there and just a normal one over there, because there's one that does. Oh, reverse wireless charging. I mean, that's really, I feel like that feature is just dope. Like, overall, it's a dope feature. All right, so once again, this is the crown silver colorway. Like, that is, man, it's beautiful. It's amazing. Color is nice. But yeah, there's 4 cameras on the back of this phone. This phone has 6 cameras. Just let that resonate in your head. Just 6 cameras. 6. What am I missing? There's 25 watt fast charging. Very capable. I mean, it's not crazy, but like, you can get full battery in like an hour and a half. 30 minutes you're at 55. It only activates really when you're at low battery. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, my only complaint would be the SD card, and probably the fact that they made it bigger, but they also made the screen bigger, so it makes sense too. So I'm okay with that. So I feel like anything I have negative to say about this is just like, for real nitpicking, like nothing, because it has Wi-Fi 6, IPS6 water resistance. This is almost the reason why the iPhone 11 Pro came out with an ultra wide camera on the back, because they had to keep up with competition. Like, they can't just slack. No one's gonna buy their stuff. I mean, actually, that's a lie. People have been buying Apple products and nothing's changed the last 3 devices except for cameras. But we're not gonna get into that. Not right now, at least. Not right now. I mean, they have the night mode on the photo. It's kind of weird, kind of trash. It's not like Google's, that's for sure. Because Google's night mode is just very good. They got that cutout thingy, but like the cutout, it's better than a notch, way better than a notch. I actually prefer it because it has usability, because there's like these apps you can add charging bars around. I'll try to add like a screenshot if I have the screenshot of the charging bar, because you can have like the battery ring around it. There's so much versatility with this phone, and it's almost like So there's a screen above the little notch, so you can see around it. All your eyes are doing is filling in that blank, kind of like what I was doing right here. Did I get you? If I got you right now, leave a comment below saying you got me. And don't be afraid to leave a comment. Just say I got you. Like, you didn't see it. It's you were paying attention to me. I had this called distracted. Make it look over here. Then pop you in the back of the head over. I'm just kidding. But let's see. They've got the Dolby Atmos speakers on this bad boy, so speakers sound great. Actually, I'll give you guys a little speaker test. Let me see. This little clip. Oh, yeah. Alright, that's 20 seconds with Dolby Atmos. Now we're about to take Dolby Atmos off, so see if you guys can hear the difference. And then back on again. So it's got a front speaker blasting out front noise, then the bottom speaker's blasting out bottom noise. And they still got the headphone jack. Can I get a round of applause for the phone for keeping the headphone jack? I appreciate that. I would consider myself a power user because I do use my phone a lot. I mean a lot. Like I charge this phone for fun. That's how big this battery is. I'm telling you. People will call me, they'll be like, what are you doing? What are you doing, Introspect Tech? What are you doing? I'll be like, I'm bored. I think I might just go and charge my phone because I got, 70% battery and it's 4 or 5 o'clock already. It's crazy because this battery is insane. It literally lasts all day. You can't complain. You can't go wrong with it. Like, it's a safety net. Like, I bring this thing around just in case my main phone died. But I make this my main phone, so I'd have bring 2 of these. Yeah, this is a big fella. I love this phone. How much I got 2. Let's see. Went over the water resistance, the sound, speakers, headphone jack, screen resolution, pixel density. This phone is just killing it. If you guys think it's killing it. Oh, before I rate it, leave you guys' rate down below. Like, let me know what you guys think it should be before we go on in this next clip, because I'm about to rate it and you guys are about to be alive.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Because? Can I say something? Alright, but end of the clip, I'm going to rate this phone. Done. Dun, 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 dun. 9 out of 10. 9 stars out of 10. I call that a win. Only reason it didn't get 10 is because they thought it was a good idea to remove the SD card slot. Why? But why? I just want to know, what were you guys thinking when you said, hey, we got this dope phone, we should take away the SD card slot? The reason I didn't mark off 2 points for that is because they hired the amount of storage, base storage, like 512 gigs and 256 gigs. That is nice base storage size. Like, that's, you smooth for a minute till the next phone come out. Especially if you got storage management skills. Or some kind of Dropbox or Google Photos or something. But still the question remains. Is this phone worth it? 2020, with all the new phones releasing, all the hype about new phones, would you go out and buy this? I'm pretty sure the retail was $13.99 and $14.99. No, it was $12.99 for the 256 gig model, and then $13.99 for the 512 gigabyte model. Stock. Those are the release prices.
Turn me up, bro.
I don't know if they changed or fluctuated, but would you pay that price? And now for this phone, would I? Right now? Answer. Yes. And no. Because depending on what Samsung releases next, I'd probably wait. I'd wait. Give it what?
See that? Turn me up, bro.
Give it a couple months. Samsung's gonna come out with a new phone. Then your phone's gonna be obsolete to the new phone. This isn't the newest phone out, but it's still like performs well. I mean, if it's what you need, it's what you get. If you get it at a good price, then I'd get it. But I would not go and spend like $1,300 stock brand new. But I don't think anybody would at that cost, because at that cost, I mean, that's a lot of money. Maybe not for me, but it's for maybe one of y'all. And if you made it past this to this far into the video, I appreciate you. Thank you. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Tell me that you made it here. Like, ask me a question. Interact with me. Come on. I'm a friendly guy. I'm a real person too. I mean, yeah. I could say softly. Listen, because it won. It's a winner. Listen, that's a victory. You may rest. You've done well, young Skywalker. Done well. Thank you guys so much. You guys really just making it all worth it. Appreciate it. Peace.